Not only are plastics polluting our oceans and waterways and killing marine life, it's in all of us, and we can't escape consuming plastics. Marco Lambertini. Picture a world where our oceans are healthy and teeming with life in every part of the planet instead of plastic pollution. Imagine seeing sea creatures like sea turtles washing up on shore, gasping for air and clinging for life while trapped in trash and debris. Let's explore in ways in which we can help solve the problems of the ocean and its ecosystem. Let's look at solutions that will help save our planet and waterways from more destruction and harm. Hello, my name is Brittany Jett. Today I want to talk about a problem facing humanity and our wildlife across the world in our oceans. With the research and credibility I have extensively gathered through the sources of Oceana.gov, NOAA.gov, UNESCO.gov, and WEIR.gov, my goal is to give you an excellent and in-depth way of how marine biologists today provide a solution to the problem of pollution in our oceans. We will also look at how to solve these problems for the good of future generations. Helping to save the ocean and clear its waterways should matter to all of us. Cleaning ocean pollution is vital because the sea is the largest ecosystem on Earth and contains 94% of the planet's wildlife. The ocean is a source of people's livelihoods, where we get our food and clean water, and even where we enjoy leisure activities. There are various types of pollution. Annually, 7 billion tons of debris are deposited on beaches, which becomes an environmental hazard for marine life. Solving these problems will not only help our planet, but also help us have a clean environment and an ecosystem that we use for all life-sustaining activities. I believe combating the problem of plastic pollution in our ocean is a moral right critical to safeguarding the planet's health, along with diverse sea life that sustains it. Saving our oceans is not just a slogan, but a passionate collective global mission pushing to clean our oceans and seas, clear the ecosystem, and care for animals that can't defend themselves. The sea spans 70% of our planet, facing threats from all sides that include pollution, overfishing, and climate change, along with habitat destruction. We can reverse this by reducing plastic pollution with thought-provoking choices in recycling, by creating sustainable fishing practices for all, protecting our marine sanctuaries across the globe, educating ourselves and others around us, and supporting ocean conservation organizations. We can make a long-lasting impact. Let us begin with some facts pertaining to the urgency and importance of addressing this issue. The issue of plastic pollution has become increasingly dire. Plastic has gone from a great modern invention in this era to the most challenging material to manage. Each year, 13 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans. This is the equivalent of one garbage truck of waste every minute. The world's communities have responded with countless incentives and campaigns to ban different types of plastic. 127 countries have now introduced legislation to regulate plastic. Plastic isn't the ocean's only pollution problem. There is also visible plastic waste near the ocean surface. Visible plastic waste that rises to the ocean surface is a sad reminder of human nature. Seeing this should cause panic, demanding our undivided attention. In the Great Pacific, there is a garbage patch that has gained the world's attention. It makes up about 3% of the total plastic in the ocean. This plastic also sinks to the ocean's floor and stays in water columns. The plastic is deposited in the ocean in remote places, making cleaning difficult. The UN Environment Program has estimated the global damage to marine environments from this plastic pollution estimated to be 13 billion per year. There are many more non-plastic pollutants like nitrogen that fill harmful algae blooms, antibiotics, heavy metals, pesticides, oil and gas, and other debris in our oceans. These pollutants affect our oceans directly through rivers, storm water, and wind. These substances damage the environment and human health, along with the economy. These pollutants are threats. They infiltrate our ocean, stopping our planet from giving us the lifeblood needed in our fragile world. According to the EPA agency, 100% of all plastics humans have created are still in existence, leaving a legacy of stain and carelessness. Plastic generally takes 500 to 1,000 years to disintegrate. Then it becomes microplastics. Today, plastics production use is still in an all-time high, but the data on recycling is not promising. Only 10% of plastic we produce is currently being recycled. The rest has either incinerated, causing the air to be polluted, or it ends up in our oceans and environment. With the ocean covering 70% of the Earth's surface, this can have huge troubling effects on our climate and weather patterns affecting our way of life. The ocean shows our gluttony today's culture. These show our choices. We must take action to protect the fragile balance in our world. Now that we have thoroughly discussed the problem, let's discuss the solutions. Reduce plastic production and consumption. Under the Saving Our Oceans initiative, we aim to take a stand against the relentless production and consumption of single-use plastics and the carelessness that comes with it. It's a call to action for passionate people to join together in lockstep and call on our governments to wield its power for the good of the world and establish regulations for the manufacturing usage of plastics. Secondly, under the Saving Our Oceans initiative, enhance recycling and waste management. The world community should advocate resources and invest in enhanced recycling technologies, not just with words, but actions that are passionate and get the point across. With this goal, we can boost plastic recycling rates and establish efficient waste collection systems in urban and coastal areas worldwide. Strengthen international cooperation. There should be a close collaboration with international organizations and governments along with non-governmental organizations to develop and enforce these agreements to aim at reducing plastic pollution. We should want to free our world from the disparaging, suffocating grip it has on us. By growing these initiatives, we can address the issue of plastic waste and how it accumulates in our oceans. Restoration of marine ecosystems. Addressing the plastic pollution problem isn't just about the ocean, it's about healing the planet's marine ecosystem. By allowing resources towards research, Our efforts can aim at safeguarding and restoring the delicate balance of our ecosystems that is affected by plastic pollution. With this, we can help safeguard habitats such as coral reefs, marshlands, and coastal regions, essential for marine life. By standing with this noble cause of cleaning up plastic waste, we can give future generations an actual reality of having long-term sustainability that gives hope. According to marine biologist Elizabeth Lazinski, she explains why unnecessary plastics are killing ocean animals and what we can do about it. Sea turtles have been on the planet for 100 million years and evolved without plastic. This helped shape the current body structure of sea turtles. In a sea turtle's esophagus, there are hard projections that allow prey to travel into its stomach easily. If a sea turtle digests plastic, it would have to pass through its entire body, unlike other animals, which could spit it out. As a society, we must make changes at federal and individual levels. Using single-use plastics may be convenient. However, there is no solution to the plastic crisis. Everyone must do their part in changing their behaviors and actions to protect the oceans. I believe in combating the problem of plastic pollution in our ocean is critical to safeguarding the planet's health, along with the diverse life that sustains it. Our oceans are critical for life and resources on our planet, facing threats from our overconsumption of plastic. With millions of tons of plastic entering the sea every year and day, this puts our marine life and ecosystems in danger. This situation is urgent, with the alarming statistical effects highlighted. We see the extent of the problem, but our actions and solutions lie within us collectively to take action. Overcoming our everyday habits of plastic consumption can help reduce the pollution in our oceans. Finding better alternatives to using plastic and plastic solutions can help us save not only our planet, but our marine life and oceans for future generations. As a world community, we can come together and have a goal along with promotion, hard work, and dedication to finding solutions. We can get rid of the common occurrence of plastic use that ends up in our oceans. In this endeavor, we can help ensure there are vast bodies of water that stay teeming and thriving with life. In the words of Albert Einstein, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Thank you for listening.